Okay, folks, I have done something today. I have made 2 varieties of a tomato jam. Okay, now I'm going to see which one I like better. My cameraman has already done a taste test, and when I finish, I'll tell you if I agree with him or not. Okay, I will link both videos in the description box. There are just little differences in the recipes, but nonetheless, they're differences. Okay, let's try this one first. Folks, I didn't have another one of the same size jars in here, so this one is going to go in the refrigerator in an oddball jar. So just saying. They're really good. There's just little differences. Guys, you're going to have to pick your own if you try both of them. Cameraman likes this one better. That's the second one that I made. But honestly, I can't tell the difference. So, not much of a taste test, is there? But anyway, they're both really good. One has lemon juice and one has vinegar for the acid. So, there you have it. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.